Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about a topic that a lot of you have been asking about. Can you get a loan from Robinhood Bank? Now, before we jump into the details, let's take a quick look at what Robinhood is. Robinhood is a financial services company that offers brokerage services as well as margin investing and options trading. It's a popular choice for young investors, and it's known for its low fees and user-friendly interface. So, can you get a loan from Robinhood Bank? Well, technically, no. Robinhood doesn't offer traditional loans like a bank would. However, they do offer something called margin investing, which allows you to borrow money from the brokerage to buy more stocks. Margin investing can be a great way to leverage your investments and potentially earn higher returns. However, it's important to be aware of the risks involved. Margin investing can also lead to significant losses if the value of your investments declines. If you're considering using margin investing, it's important to do your research and understand the risks involved. You should also only use margin investing if you can afford to lose the money you invest. So, there you have it. You can't get a traditional loan from Robinhood Bank, but you can use margin investing to borrow money to buy more stocks. Just be sure to do your research and understand the risks involved before you take the plunge. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more financial tips and advice. Thanks for watching. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.